Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Messenger and going straight to Settings. This is where controls live. Tap your profile icon, then Settings, and look for Message Delivery or Message Requests, because those folders hold filtered messages. Once you find Message Requests, scan the list for senders you want to unspam. You're taking action now so you don't miss important contacts. Keep focused on the specific sender and prepare to move messages back to your main inbox. Now locate the message thread in Message Requests or Spam and open it to review context. This step prevents accidental restoration of junk. If the message is legitimate, tap the three-dot menu or more and choose Move to Inbox or Accept so future messages arrive normally. Make sure to add the sender as a contact or reply. Replying signals the system that this is wanted communication. If the content is clearly malicious, choose Report instead of moving it. Finish by moving the conversation to your inbox, and then verify delivery by sending a short reply. This confirms messages will appear normally. Add the sender to your contacts or mark them as not spam to train Messenger's filters. Once done, make sure to check privacy settings and any active filtering rules that might reroute messages. If messages still don't arrive, clear app cache or reinstall Messenger, and then retry. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.